Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. Will it help me to learn the various scales starting on the 5th string? I already know them starting on the 6th string with 3 or 4 notes per string. Okay, so yeah, good question, and a little bit perplexing about how our friend has phrased the specific subject. So I'm going to try to clarify it and give you a very specific, very clear outline on how to learn guitar scales. So let's get started. First of all, learn the CAGED system, the 5 boxes of the CAGED system. That's CAGED. This is going to be your basis. So you definitely, absolutely have to learn the CAGED system. I'm not going to spend any more time on it. Anybody on the guitar who has done good work on the guitar is using this system, so get it down. After you're done with the CAGED system, you should move on to the 3 notes per string system. The 3 notes per string is based on the left hand playing always 3 notes, no matter what the fingering is, basically. So this will give you a very symmetrical way of playing, a very similar way of moving the pick, because every string has 3 notes, and this is good for creating sequences, for creating long legato and alternate picking lines. It's good for sweeping patterns. It's good for many things. It's mostly technique based, so I would say that rock, metal and virtuoso kind of players would use it more, but it's definitely step number 2. So after CAGED system, you learn the 3 notes per string system. Now for those few who want to take it even further, there are the 4 notes per string system, which can be used either by stretching the finger, like playing 4 notes per string here, or as a combination for left hand and tapping. This, once again, this is the next step. Do not start with that, or the guitar is going to make no sense to you. You need to start with the CAGED, then move to 3 notes per string, and then add an extra note to the 3 notes per string patterns. However, this extra note can be played either with the fretting hand, or with the picking hand in the form of tapping. So there you have it. This is what I have found to be the optimum way of learning scales and being able to play anywhere and everywhere on the neck consistently without getting lost. You start with the CAGED system, then you expand to the 3 notes per string system, and if you want to take it even further, you go to the 4 notes per string system. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful and this was clarifying enough, and I will see you at the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, keep those questions coming and keep on shredding. Bye bye.